called Sodha Dalia, a mental health counselor and life coach whose personal journey as a mother to a child with cerebral palsy inspired her to create a support system for parents of special children. Big round of applause. Well-deserved congratulations. Next we have... Okay.
Thank you so much everyone, and it's been an honor for me to be here at Medanta and to get the Shakti Award 2026. I would like to share a small story with you. Once upon a time, God was making a beautiful creation called woman. Angel came to God. Angel asked, God, what are you making? 6 days से आप लगे हुए हो, इतनी beautiful creation आप बना रहे हो. But क्या खास है इसमें कि 6 दिन लग गए आपको एक creation बनाने में? God said, just touch her, you know. She's so soft and silky. Her smile will gonna give the grace to the world. So angel said, yes, of course, God. तो 6 दिन लग चुके हैं अब now it is going to complete. So God said she is very soft and silky. She can handle everything on her own. 18 hours वो काम कर सकती है, अपने बच्चों को संभाल सकती है, अपने हस्बैंड को संभाल सकती है, सब कुछ वो कर सकती है. But she is very very strong. जब भी उस पर मुश्किल आएगी, वो काली बनेगी, वो आदि शक्ति बनेगी. तो ये एक स्टोरी, एक लिविंग टेस्टिमनी आपके सामने मैं खड़ी हूँ. I suffered from domestic violence for 15 long years. My disabled child is there in back on the back side. She's 15 years old. She got brain hemorrhage at the time of birth. She got cerebral palsy grade 4, and she cannot walk. She cannot do anything. I walked out of my house after 15 long years of domestic violence. I left that house, and then I became Kali. I became Adi Shakti. I became of the root of the Kali. Started my journey on my own with my parents' help in 2019. I became the author of the book The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth. I helped millions of women in the global world who were suffering from domestic violence. I became the mental health counselor, a life coach, and then after that I founded my purpose Surtaj. Surtaj is one of my parents' name. Sur and Taj. Sur is Surendra Pal Singh and Taj is Tajinder Kaur, who have dedicated their lives to my child from 75 years. They are 75 years, and they are taking care of her from last 15 years. After that, I have helped a lot of parents who were suffering from this special needs children, who were going through anxiety, depression. I'm doing my PhD in the same subject. So this journey of mine is not for me, it is for the living purpose of all the parents, all the mothers who have special children, or all the females who are suffering from domestic violence to come out of that, to become Kali, to become Adi Shakti in yourself. You have the power within, you have the grace, you can do anything in this world. That award, this award I dedicate to my child, to my parents, to all the women who have never given up, who have risen from falling, and to all the mothers of special needs children. This award I dedicate to them. Plus, in the end, I would like, it is there on Amazon. It is there, and one copy is there with me. I can show it. Then I found a Surtaj where all the special children I take care of, and I help parents of these children. In the end, I would like to recite a small poem. तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की ज़मीं को तलाश है, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियाँ समझना इसको वस्त्र रूप, ये बेड़ियाँ पिघाल के बना ले इसको शस्त्र. तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी. Thank you.